Life can be tough, but it's important to remember that you have the power to overcome any obstacle and achieve your dreams. Whether you're starting a new job, building a business, or pursuing a personal passion, it's important to have a clear goal in mind. When you have something to work towards, it gives you the drive and motivation to keep pushing forward, even when the going gets tough. Sometimes you feel like giving up, but it's important to keep pushing through. Believe in yourself and your abilities, and remember why you started in the first place. You can overcome any obstacle and reach your full potential with hard work and determination. When you finally reach your goal, the sense of accomplishment and satisfaction will be all the sweet. So, keep your head up, stay focused, and never give up on your dreams. Remember, success is not a destination, it's a journey. Every step you take, and every challenge you overcome, brings you closer to your goal. And the best part is that the journey makes life so exciting and fulfilling. Don't be afraid to take risks and step outside of your comfort zone. We grow and learn the most through taking chances and making mistakes. Embrace every experience as an opportunity to become a better, more resilient version of yourself. And most importantly, surround yourself with positive, supportive people who lift you and encourage you to be your best. Whether it's a friend, a family member, or a mentor, having a support system can make all the difference in your journey towards success. So, keep pushing forward, one step at a time. And never forget, success is not about what you have, but about who you are. Embrace your strengths, own your weaknesses, and always be true to yourself. And in the end, you will achieve the greatest success of all, a happy and fulfilling life. Keep reaching for the stars, and never give up on your dreams.